Hello, and welcome to another episode of What the Heck Are We Building here at Minnesota Implement. This is a floating snowplow. This is kind of a hybrid of our normal, what we call a cross-draw plow. This is an industrial duty unit. We got an order from a dealer on the East Coast. He is looking for some heavy-duty plows for DOT cleanup. And so we took our normal design of plow, which is the cross draw, and we upgraded everything 30% heavier. So we've got a lot heavier faceplate, a lot heavier backbone. We've got this cribbing on the back of here. Just all in all about 30% heavier plow. But one of the things that he wanted was he wanted the plow to be able to gather snow. So we added these wings on here at a 30-degree angle so that you can gather the snow and carry it with you when you're plowing a parking lot and such. So it makes for a real unique plow. Right now I don't have any lines or couplers on here because for palletizing them for shipping, we're likely going to have to take the faceplate off just because of space restraints to fit them on the truck. So I did not plumb it out, otherwise I'd be draining hydraulic fluid before I palletize them to ship them. But as you see, we've got our floating link there. So if you want this to float on the hinged faceplate, you just pull that through pin, and then the plow will float separate of the machine. And this is our cross draw design, so it's got quite a bit of wobble or movement to it. Kind of hard to see with one person holding the phone and doing wobbling, but we've got about 4 inches, 5 inches of side-to-side movement in there. And then the unique thing about this plow is when it's at full turn, even though it's got wings, if you look at this, that wing comes out almost just a little over the 90-degree angle from the machine. So when you're plowing, if you turn the plow to full turn, it still gets full spillage off the side of this plow. So you're not loading up. You can still push a real nice snow load or a roll off the side of the plow as you're plowing, even though it's got wings. And if you look at a lot of the wing plows, when they've got wings on them, you can't push a real good roll with them because the wing is at too much of an angle. So the snow will load up on the wing rather than roll off the side. So when we built this, we deliberately made the wings a little bit smaller and set that angle so that you can still get a real good roll off the side of the plow. So a little bit of thinking and thought went into making sure that these worked well. And on the outside of the cutting edge here, we've got the round stock on that short cutting edge so that if you put the cutting edge against the side of a curb, you're not wearing out the side of your plow. So once again, very deliberate design to make sure that there's a good serviceability on this unit, that it'll hold up for a long time. So I just wanted to show you that a bit so that you can get an idea of our product. I'd love to give you a video of it in motion, but we're here on January 22nd, just east of St. Paul, and as you see, I've got no snow. So we had 8 inches of snow early in the season. That melted off and gave us a real nice ice pack, and we haven't had any snow since. So I have no snow to be able to show you our snowplow actually pushing snow. So for St. Paul, Minnesota, that's kind of unique that I've got no snow to show you. But I figured I'd show you our snow plow anyways, so that those of you that do have snow maybe can order some equipment and get your snow moved. Thank you for watching.